Hey everyone and welcome. In this video, we're going to look at something that confuses a lot of learners. Why do Romanians sometimes say este, sometimes ye, and sometimes they just attach this I at the end of a word? If you've heard things like cine e acolo, unde e asta, nu e adevărat, and wondered what's going on, then this video is for you. So let's begin. Let's start simple. In everyday Romanian, este is very often shortened to ye. This is completely natural and very common. We can say este bine or e bine. Este târziu or e târziu. In fast, natural speech, it often attaches to the word before it. This brings us to another form that a fi can take in the third person singular of the present tense, which is the soft I. So when does this happen? Very often the I form attaches to words that end in a vowel, such as with question words. Cine e acolo? Ce-i asta? With conjunctions. Știu că-i târziu. Fiindcă-i frig, stăm acasă. With the negation nu. Nu-i vina mea. Nu-i nicio problemă. With adverbs. Acolo-i casa mea. Undeva e o greșeală. With nouns. Ce liniște e aici. Problema e mai complicată decât pare. With adjectives. Partea bună e că am ajuns la timp. Varianta corectă e aceasta. With pronouns. Acela-i colegul meu. Alta-i cauza principală. Unul mai bun decât altul. Aceasta-i soluția. In the first person singular and third person plural, the verb fi can be reduced to s, which in fast speech attaches to the previous word, usually one ending in a vowel. Unde-s cărțile? Cine-s oamenii de acolo? Chiar dacă nu-s pregătit, măcar încerc. Copiii sunt curte. Răspunsurile corecte sunt acestea. Nu cred că-s gata. Alrighty, that's about it for now. If you feel like going a bit deeper, you'll find more examples in the extended version of this lesson, which is available on my Patreon and for my YouTube members. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and that you've learned something new. As always, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay, I'll see you next time. Be happy! Be happy! Ba, ba, ba.